Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist, the author of many books on cartooning and other things like anime and figure drawing, but this one is a new book of mine, Learn to Draw Cartoons, the world's easiest cartooning book ever. Today I'd like to show you how to draw a character out of this book, and we'll use certain techniques which you can use to draw this and then your own original characters. And this one is a stylish lady. Here she is. I show her in the book in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps and a little hint box here of the eyes. And let's give her a try and see if we can give her that kind of stylish glance. I'm going to start in pencil and then we'll finish up with markers so that we can darken it in. Pencil gets a little light, etc. Alright, so let's start with the basic shape of the head. Instead of starting with a circle, we know that she has sort of an angular face that tapers at the chin. So we are going to draw this type of a shape, sort of like an oval that lost its way, an oval that went rogue. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's what we're talking about. She's on a 3/4 view. So here's the center line going from the top of the head, the center of the head, all the way around the face and ending up at the tip of the chin. We'll put the ear back here, just sort of like for placement. So we can see where maybe the eyes will go, right around where the ear is, like that. And we'll say that, hey, here's the back of the head, so this is going to taper down here and become the neck. And bring the neck out this way. So she's kind of angling toward the neck with her chin. It's kind of a cute look. Let's bring this up a little bit here. That's the angle of the jaw, and that's actually what it's called in anatomical terms, angle of the jaw. Bring this down a little bit. It's a little too much mass. I'm going to cut it down a bit. So you notice we just keep adjusting, little by little. So some people write to me and they say, I did this wrong, I did the circle wrong. No, you didn't. You just didn't continue to adjust it. We all do it wrong. It never ends up being the way it starts. So no worries. Okay, let's bring in some big eyes here. And you'll notice right away that this eye is a little smaller than this eye. Why? Because the head turns, this whole side is smaller than this side. That's perspective. So let's bring an eyelash out, just one big eyelash here. And we'll have a kind of tall oval for the eyes. Flatten them out like that. Let's darken them in. And we'll give her a sharp eyebrow, not down too much, just sort of curving over. And kind of a slightly upturned nose. It's kind of a cute look. And we'll do the middle of the mouth first. Just indicate it. We'll be working around this. Here's the crease, and right here the lip gets thicker, and then down it diminishes. And then we do the bottom lip a little bit further back. Now, she's a little bit more tapered here. I'm going to make this a little bit fuller right here on the cheek area. Okay, that's good, like that. Darken the upper eyelid. Bring that up, the smile here too. I want to be smiling on both sides of the face. Now she's got some a fun hairdo. It starts right this way, a little bumpy here. But those bumps give it a lot of action. Here is the part is always diagonal. Unless you have a center part, it's diagonal right here. So bring it up, bring it down, and let it flop over the head. Kind of relaxed like that. And this is concave. You can even feel that in yourself. You just feel the side of your head. You'll feel your side next to your eye is concave. Now here we will bring this straight back and flatten it out. In the 3/4 view, the back of the head has the appearance of being flat. This goes right into the neck area. Let's give her, see, just a little diamond-shaped earring. Bring this down. And we'll make this a little higher back here, give it a little bit more mass. Okay, now we're going to erase the front, top, just kind of some of these lines for construction so it doesn't distract us. Okay, and now I will color it in, make it a little darker so we can get a better look at what we've come up with. And at this point, most of the adjustments are done. We make all of them in advance. We don't try to do them at the end, because then you really don't want to make any more changes. Once you're at the end, you're like, no, I like it, I want to keep it. Okay, a little bit of a bridge of the nose. Let me just put that, and nice curve of the mouth for a nice smile. And we can have a little bit of a dip here. This is called the Cupid's bow, this little dip that we all know about. And lower lip is usually a little thicker than the upper lip. I'll give it a little crease over the eyes and a little curve, a little arch to the eyebrows. Now go in here, out here. That's what we come up with this. And round off of the chin. A little angle of the jaw, and then taper down. Here is that earring we talked about. I'll bring that neck in closer. So I'll erase that. And just minimize the ear. Now curve this around, straighten that out so it goes into the neck. Gives a flat back of the head look, which is a nice looking cartoon. So we suggest the part. You have to show the whole thing, just suggest it. It's like a wave. And down here, same thing. And we can just suggest a little shading here as a nice contrast to the rest of the drawing. It may be time for a new marker for me. Yes, it looks like that. But anyway, we're getting the best use out of this we can for the moment. I'll make it a little thicker in the middle, the eyebrows, a little shadow underneath the chin. Let's see how we did. Okay, so here's the original. There are some differences, but I think we got the basic look of the thing. There's always going to be some differences. You always, whenever you start, something gets spontaneous. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed it. I'm glad you joined me. Please subscribe. New videos uploaded every Monday. You can find my books everywhere. Amazon, Barnes & Noble, Hobby Lobby, Michael's Arts and Crafts, Joanne, and other booksellers. Thanks for joining me today. Bye-bye.